Students, today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Shapes and Pattern. But before start, let us revise once what is symmetrical figure and line of symmetry, which we have already learned last year in 3rd standard. Now what do you mean by symmetrical figures? The figures which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size is called as a symmetrical figure. And the line which divides the figure into two mirror half is called as line of symmetry. Here you can see some symmetrical figures. The first figure is a circle. If you draw a vertical line like this, circle will be divided into two equal parts. So this line is called as line of symmetry and circle is symmetrical in shape. Similarly, you can draw a horizontal line as well. This line also divides the circle into two equal parts. So this line is also called as line of symmetry. Now the second figure is a letter A. This letter A is also symmetrical in shape. If you draw a vertical line like this, the letter A will be divided into two equal parts. This line is called as line of symmetry. Now come to the picture number 3. This picture is also symmetrical. If you draw a vertical line like this, the picture or shape will be divided into two equal parts. But in this case, you cannot draw a horizontal line like this because after drawing this line, the picture will not be divided into two equal parts. We will not get the two equal part or two equal shape and size, right? So this can't be a line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is only this one, right? Now come to the picture number 4. In this picture also you can draw two lines of symmetry. One is the vertical one and the second is horizontal. Now come to the next topic, that is reflections. Reflections are the mirror images of each other. In mirror images, the shape or objects are almost similar to each other, but they are only reverse in direction. As you can see here, I have drawn two pictures, picture A and picture B. Both these pictures are looking very similar to each other, right? They are almost similar to each other, but they are only reverse in direction. After flipping, the picture A becomes picture B. Thus picture A and picture B are the reflections, or we can say that they are mirror images of each other. So based on the reflection, let us discuss the exercise 8.1 now. Question number A. Tick the figures that are reflections or mirror images of each other. In this question, some figures are given to you and you have to tick in front of the figure which are reflections or mirror images of each other. You can see in the first figure, both these figures or both these shapes are very almost similar to each other, right? But they are reverse in direction. So we can say that they are mirror images of each other. Come to the second figure. Here both the figures are similar and they are same in direction. So we cannot say that they are reflections. So they are not a reflection or not a mirror images of each other. Now come to the third figure. Third figure as well. Both the figures are mirror images of each other. So we can put tick in front of this figure. Now come to the figure number 4. Is this a reflection of each other, or we can say that are they mirror images of each other? No, they are not a mirror images of each other. Then what will be the mirror image of 1? The mirror image of 1 like this. The mirror image of 1 should be like this. Okay. Now come to the figure number 5. Are they reflections? Are they mirror images of each other? No, they are not reflections, or we can say that they are not a mirror images of each other. So what would be the mirror image of P? Yes, the mirror image of P would be like this only. And now come to the last figure. Here, what do you observe? Yes, they are mirror images of each other. So children, remember, in mirror images, the objects or the figures are almost similar to each other. Their direction only reverse, right? The left will be right and right will be left. Now come to the second question, that is question number B. Draw the reflections of shape. Here some shapes are given to you and you have to draw the reflection of the given shape, that is mirror image you have to draw. In first figure, the upper side of the figure is given to you. So the reflection of this figure will be on down, right? So the reflection should be like this. Now in other figure, the one side of the figure is on the left hand side, right? So its reflection should be on the right side. So the reflection should be like this only. So likewise you can draw the reflection of any figure given to you.